Good morning, children, and this is your Shweta ma'am, and you all are welcome to my YouTube channel, Experience the Maths. So, children, today we will do 9th class 10th chapter circle, and we'll discuss about some basic terms which we are going to frequently use in the chapter circle. Okay, bache? So, first we will discuss about the chord. So, what is the chord of a circle? Let's suppose we have a circle having center O and we have taken 2 points on the circle. Let's suppose it is P and Q, and we'll join the P and Q, the point which are on the circle. The line segment joining the point P and Q is called chord of the circle. Means we will take any other 2 points on the circle and we are joining them. The line segment joining those points is known as the chord of the circle. So, in a circle we can have so many chord, infinite number of chords. So, from here we will get the definition of diameter. How? Suppose we have a chord PQ. Okay. So P and Q are any 2 points lying on the circle, and the line joining PQ is passing through from its center. Passing through from its center. In that case, this chord, the length of this chord will be the maximum, and this is known as the diameter. That means if a chord which is passing through from the circle will known as the diameter of the circle. And similarly, like chords, a circle can have so many an infinite number of diameter. So you can see center at the center O at the midpoint of the PQ, because it is at the center. OP is the radius of circle. Again, OQ is the radius of circle. And we are saying PQ is the diameter. Hence, we can say diameter is equal to twice of the radius. Why? Because in the PQ there are 2 times R from OP and OQ. And PQ is our diameter. So, diameter is equal to 2 into radius, 2R. One more thing, diameter is the longest chord of any circle. That means the maximum length of a chord can be equal to the diameter of the circle. Okay. I think the concept of chord is very clear to you. Okay. Now let's discuss about the arc. What is the arc of a circle? Okay. Suppose we have a circle and we are taking any piece, any 2 point on the circle. The length between P to Q, or the length of P and Q, the piece of a circle, means basically arc is a piece of a circle between any 2 points which we are taking on the circle is called the arc. Means P and Q are 2 points on the circle, and this piece is known as the arc. And based on its length there will be 2 types of arc. One is major arc, another is minor arc. The smaller length part is called as the minor arc, and the major arc will be the जिसकी लेंथ ज़्यादा होगी, that will call the major arc, and the less length arc will known as the minor arc. And how we will write and read it? Arc PQ or arc PAQ. A is any point between P and Q, and PBQ is the major arc. So we can put that symbol to represent the arc like this. Arc. If we have put any symbol like this, so it will be read as the arc. So arc PAQ or arc PAQ. So we can write in that in both the way. Okay. Now let's discuss about the circumference.